Hi there, young explorer. Welcome back to our amazing journey around the world. Today we are setting up an fantastic adventure to the largest country on the planet. Get ready to learn about the land and flamingoniest doll of the famous mysterious dolls. So up and let's explore together.
Fun facts about Russia. Russia is not just big on the map, it's also packed with exciting facts. Did you know that Russia spans two continents, Europe and Asia? It's so massive that it covers about 1/8 of the Earth's inhabited land area. Now that's huge! Famous landmarks. Our first stop is Moscow, the capital of Russia. Here, you'll find the iconic Kremlin, a fortress that's like a real-life castle. And don't forget the stunning St. Basil's Cathedral with its colorful onion domes. It looks like something out of a fairy tale. Meet the wildlife. Russia is home to some incredible animals. Ever heard of the Siberian tiger or the Amur leopard? These majestic creatures roam the vast forests of Russia. Let's take a peek into their world and discover the unique wildlife that calls Russia home. Yummy Russian cuisine. Time to satisfy our taste buds. Russian food is not only delicious but also hearty. Borscht, a tasty beet soup, and pelmeni, dumplings filled with savory goodness, are just a couple of the scrumptious dishes waiting for you in Russia. Russia has so much to offer. I hope you enjoyed our exploration today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more fun travels.
Welcome back to our fantastic journey around the world. Today, we're putting on our warmest mittens and setting off to discover the incredible wonders of Canada, the land of maple syrup, friendly moose, and breathtaking landscapes. First things first, let's talk about Canada's sweetest secret, maple syrup. Did you know that Canada produces tons of this delicious treat? Join us as we visit a real maple syrup farm and see how they turn the sap from maple trees into the golden goodness we all love on our pancakes. Canada is a wildlife wonderland. Moose, bears, beavers, and even whales, oh my! We'll embark on a virtual safari to discover the amazing animals that call Canada home. Get ready to meet some furry friends and learn why Canada is a paradise for nature lovers. Time for a splash! Imagine standing beside a roaring waterfall so powerful it feels like the earth is shaking beneath your feet. That's Niagara Falls. Join us on an adventure to this natural wonder and witness the awe-inspiring beauty of one of the world's most famous waterfalls. Well, little explorers, wasn't that an awesome adventure through the Great White North? Canada has so much to offer, from sweet syrup to majestic waterfalls and friendly people. If you had fun, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing travels, and let us know in the comments. Hey there, young adventurers! Welcome back to our amazing journey around the world. Today, we're soaring across the United States of America, a land of stars and stripes, home to exciting cities, natural wonders, and a whole lot of fun. So, buckle up your seatbelts and let's dive into the exciting. Zooming into the USA, we'll visit some incredible cities. New York City, where skyscrapers touch the clouds, Los Angeles, the entertainment capital, and Washington, D.C., the home of important government buildings and the famous cherry blossoms. Get ready for an urban adventure. Time to put on our explorer hats and venture into the great outdoors. The USA is home to some of the most breathtaking national parks, like Yellowstone and the Grand Canyon. Join us on a virtual hike through these natural wonders and meet the diverse wildlife that calls them home. Well, little explorers, wasn't that an exciting journey through the United States? From bustling cities to majestic natural wonders, the USA is a land of endless possibilities. If you had a blast, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing travels, and let us know in the comment. Well, little explorers, welcome back to our exciting journey around the world. Today, we're setting our sights on a country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and incredible landmarks. It's none other than China. Get ready for a fascinating adventure as we discover some amazing facts about this incredible country. China is often referred to as the land of dragons. Dragons are considered symbols of strength, power, and good luck in Chinese culture. You'll find dragons in many traditional celebrations and festivals. Did you know that China is home to one of the most famous structures in the world? It's the Great Wall of China. This colossal wall was built to protect against invaders over 2,000 years ago. It's so long that you could even see it from space. Get ready to meet some adorable friends. China is home to the giant panda, a rare and beloved species. These fluffy black and white bears are a national treasure, and efforts are made to protect and preserve their habitats. China is responsible for many incredible inventions. They gave the world paper, printing, compasses, and even fireworks. Imagine a world without these fantastic creations. Thanks, China. Ever heard of an army made of clay? In China, there's a fascinating archaeological site called the Terracotta Army. Thousands of life-sized clay soldiers were buried with the first emperor of China to protect him in the afterlife. China is a land full of wonders and surprises, from ancient wonders like the Great Wall to adorable pandas and incredible inventions. We hope you enjoyed our journey through this amazing country. If you have any other countries you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below. Hey, awesome explorers! Get ready for a wild adventure as we jet off to the vibrant land of Brazil. From colorful festivals to amazing wildlife, Brazil is a country full of excitement. Let's dive into some fascinating facts that will make you fall in love with this incredible place. Did you know that Brazil is home to the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon? It's a magical place filled with unique animals, lush greenery, and winding rivers. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth because it produces so much oxygen. Get ready to dance. Brazil is famous for its lively music and dance, especially samba. The biggest party of the year is the carnival, where people come together to celebrate with colorful parades, costumes, and, of course, lots of dancing. Brazil is known for its beautiful beaches, like Copacabana and Ipanema. Imagine building sandcastles and playing soccer with the locals. Soccer is like a national obsession here. Hold on tight as we cruise down the mighty Amazon River. It's one of the longest rivers in the world, and it's home to fascinating creatures like pink river dolphins and incredible plant life. Wow, Brazil is truly a place of wonders, from the enchanting Amazon rainforest to the lively celebrations of Carnival. We hope you had a blast learning about this fantastic country. If there's another country you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below. Until then, and of course, a special shout out to all our amazing friends and subscribers. You make our adventures even more magical. Rocket sparkles until next time. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep spreading kindness wherever you go. Thanks for being a part of our fantastic journey. See you in the next adventure.